Seeking harmony, the foundation of strong relationships. Relationships thrive on balance. This balance is not just about sharing responsibilities, but also about emotional support and understanding. Like a delicate dance, both partners need space to move freely while staying connected. This connection is built on trust and mutual respect. When couples find harmony, they create a loving and supportive environment. This balance fosters growth. It deepens their bond, making them more resilient to challenges. Ultimately, it leads to greater happiness for both individuals. They feel more connected and valued. However, achieving this equilibrium is an ongoing process. Life throws curveballs, responsibilities shift, priorities change. It's important to remember that balance is not about perfect equality at all times. It's about being there for each other when it matters most. Instead, it's about understanding and adapting to each other's needs. This adaptability strengthens the relationship. Open communication and a willingness to compromise are crucial for maintaining balance in the face of life's inevitable changes. By doing so, couples can navigate through any storm together. When worlds collide, common challenges to balance. Many factors can disrupt the equilibrium of a relationship. Financial strain is a common culprit. Disagreements about money management or unexpected expenses can create tension and resentment. Similarly, the division of household chores and childcare often leads to imbalance.
If one person feels overburdened, it can breed negativity.
Differences in work-life balance also play a role. When one partner prioritizes work over personal time, the other might feel neglected. This imbalance can lead to feelings of loneliness and resentment. Recognizing these challenges is the first step toward addressing them and restoring harmony. The seesaw effect. Understanding imbalance in action. Imagine a seesaw. When both people on the seesaw weigh the same, they can easily find balance. They move in harmony, enjoying the gentle rhythm of going up and down. They go up and down together, enjoying the ride, sharing the experience equally. But what happens when one person is much heavier? The balance is disrupted. The seesaw tips. One person is stuck on the ground, while the other is high in the air, unable to come down. This is what happens in relationships when there's an imbalance. Communication breaks down. One partner might feel overwhelmed with responsibilities, carrying the weight of the relationship. The other might feel neglected or unappreciated, longing for attention and support. The relationship becomes strained, and neither person feels happy or fulfilled. The joy and connection fade away. It's crucial to recognize these imbalances and work together to level the playing field. Only then can harmony be restored. Restoring equilibrium, communication, and shared responsibility as the keys to harmony. So how do we regain balance when the seesaw of our relationship feels off kilter? It starts with recognizing the imbalance and being willing to address it together. The answer lies in communication and shared responsibility. These are the cornerstones of a healthy and balanced relationship. Honest, open conversations about each other's needs and expectations are paramount. It's about understanding and being understood.
If one partner feels overwhelmed with household chores, it can lead to frustration and resentment. It's time to reevaluate and redistribute tasks. This ensures that both partners feel valued and supported.
Creating a chore schedule or simply having an open dialogue about who does what can work wonders. It brings clarity and fairness. The same goes for finances. Setting a budget together, discussing spending habits, and aligning financial goals are crucial. Making financial decisions as a team can prevent misunderstandings and resentment. It fosters trust and mutual respect. Remember, a relationship is a partnership. By working together, communicating openly, and being transparent and supporting each other, couples can navigate the challenges of life and maintain a loving and harmonious bond. This mutual effort strengthens the relationship and brings lasting happiness. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this A to Z journey. See you in the next video where we'll dive into clarity. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified for the next video. Like and share this video with your friends if you find it helpful. Also, mention comments and share your opinions on balance.